Today, I am going to tell you how to cook green leafy vegetables without losing its color as well as its nutrients. Now, firstly, washing and cutting. Always wash the green leafy vegetables and then cut them. This is because when you cut them earlier and then wash it, the essential nutrients get washed away from the cut area. While cooking the green leafy vegetables, take care to add 1 teaspoon of sugar so that while adding this, it allows the green leafy vegetables to retain its green color even after cooking, and also not allowing the leafy vegetables to lose the essential nutrients. Now lastly, cooking. Do not overcook them. The cooking time for the green leafy vegetables is always less than a minute or just a minute or more. And hence, cooking the green leafy vegetables like spinach, take a pot of boiling water. When it boils nicely, insert these twigs of spinach leaves or other greens, and then when it is blanched, just off the stove, and then take these leaves and immediately put it inside the cold water so that the necessary room temperature is reached immediately and the green color and the essential nutrients are not lost.